So this is the compressor, 3/8 compressor. 3/8 compressor. Actually, the fridge compressor. So 1/8. 1/8 compressor. In that compressor, liquid. Actually, the fan R134 gas is there. In the gas, in the liquid form. Whenever the liquid, we have to fill the gas from here. So this is the gas filtration. This is the gas. This is the NRV actually. After filling it, we have to pipe the bill. Suddenly, inside gas will not come. You have to remove it, means automatically gas will come out. That the type any gas mechanic means they will fill the gas from here. So gas, the cable will be there. Then meter will be there. That the mechanic having the all the things. That time they will put the gas level, how much gas will go to put the depending upon the compressor capacity, they will put the gas R134. After they will put the this is the reciprocating compressor actually. So to the river you are giving the power supply, the reciprocating compressor will be moving up and down. So that then the high pressure liquid will be pressurized into the hot water tank. This is the output actually. This is the hot water tank. This is high pressure liquid is coming here. High pressure that will convert liquid is converted to vapor. High pressure vapor actually. Here is coming the high pressure vapor, not a liquid, vapor. So vapor will be heating. So that time that the water tank will be heating, the copper will be there. That time the water will be, the heat will be transferred to the water. So that time the hot water will be coming. After here, after hot water, this will be, the high pressure will be coming to low pressure. Here low pressure. Then this is the dryer and the capillary tube. So this time, high pressure, low pressure vapor is converted to the high pressure liquid. This will come in, high pressure liquid will come. In that liquid, that time that temperature will be changing to the cooling temperature. Because the capillary and this thing means it will be cooling that water. At time that water will be transferred, that the cooling temperature is transferred to the water. This is the evaporator section. This is the condenser section. This is the evaporator section. After evaporator, this evaporator we are splitting into the two. This also evaporator, this also evaporator. We have to split into two. That's why we are putting the water low level. We have to putting more level means this condenser will not cool. The evaporator will not cool. So that's why we have to divide into this cold dish. We have to divide into two. One for cold water, another one for. So this is the cold air conditioning system. What is the air conditioning system? This is the two row. Normal condenser only. The condenser is acting as a evaporator. So this will be going to liquid, low pressure liquid. Low pressure liquid, after that it will be going to the tank. Liquid is going to the tank. Similarly, liquid is pressurized to the vapor. So this cycle is operating this is the vapor compression cycle. So in that cooling air sucked by the blower. So this is the actually blower. The blower is 6-inch diameter. 2-inch breadth, aluminum blower, having a number of leads will be there. 32 lifts blade and 30 degrees. This ready-made available blower. In the blower is coupled to the AC motor. This is the AC motor, 230 volt, 2.5, 0.25 HP, 1400 W, single phase induction motor. That motor is, this is the duct. We are putting the MS mild steel duct. Here will be coming the hold here. So this will, after that the liquid is going to the compressor tank. So this will vapor, liquid, the circulation will be coming. This is the vapor compressor. Frame are made of a L-angle frame. 1 inch, 3 mm thickness, L-angle frame. The motor specification here will be there. This is the motor specification. Little bit heat will come, no problem, don't worry. Little bit heat will come. So this is the water, actually like the cold water. This is also atmospheric water generation also there. 4 application. One for hot water, cold water, air conditioner. This is the water from the atmosphere. Actually, at real time, one hose will come going to the outside. They will dropping the water. That is that water is. This is the water. That is the atmospheric water. So both are available. So this is the concept of 3-in-1 air conditioner. 3-in-1 means 3 applications at a time. One compressor, we have to use 3 applications. Hot water tank. This is the hot water tank. This is the cold water tank. 10 degree, 6 degree will come out, no problem. Then this is the air conditioning system. Then this is the atmospheric water generation. This is the atmospheric.